I'm Heather with WTI. Do you hear that? That's silence, which doesn't happen very often in my household. So this helps a lot with muscle tension, anxiety, stress. I use Formula 303 regularly, and because it's all natural, I'm not worried about it. It never has negative side effects for me. It just makes my muscles and spasms and stress level come down a level. I personally feel safe sharing these with people that have sensitivities to most items because I am one of those people. I really have enjoyed these, been using them for years. I love that it comes as 250 because I do use them. Nice size, totally easy to swallow. I think the two ingredients that my body likes best, the magnesium carbonate and valerian root. So there are teas that I have with valerian root in them that help me sleep sound. So it makes sense that this would also help me chill out. One of the craziest things about this, and if your mom was a health nut, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, but it's that smell. That smell smells like natural bulk foods that your mama took you to. I love this smell. It's actually very nostalgic, but that's what the little pills look like. And that's what they sound like when they hit the floor. They just smell like bulk herbs. It's kind of amazing, but that might just be me. That's my point of view.